Today we will model another swim training program using the swiML language. Today I will model the swim training program of February 18th, 2025 from the Jasi Masters club. So let's get right into it. I start again with the template I have for our Tuesday evening, so I only have to change the date. And we start as usual with our 400 meters warm-up. So we first start with a segment name warm-up, and now we can put 400 meters in there. The stroke will be a standard stroke any, and the intensity level will be set to easy. Right, next we have 475s kick drill swim IM order with 20. Right, this is an interesting problem. So we'll start with an instruction, a repetition count 4 times. And so inside we have a continue, because we swim the 75 continuously. And that consists of 25 meters standard stroke individual medley order. We start first with kicking. So kicking, standard kick, individual medley order. And then we move over to drill. So drill, it didn't specify which one, so the drill name is any. And individual medley order. All right, so lastly, it's just swim. So standard stroke individual medley order. Now, that would be the warm-up. Let's see how this looks like. We associate a scenario to it. 475s, yeah, that all makes sense. Cool. Now let's move over to our first set. So we start with a new segment name. No, there we go. First set. Let's see. What do we have? We have 25 fins, kick, 6. Oh, this is some form of 3 drills. So it's essentially drills. All right, so this will just be a large continue. So, but this could actually be in a way considered still a warm-up, could it? Do we have 250 meters later on? I'm not sure. Well, let's consider this to be another part of the warm-up. So maybe we put it still up here. So we have continue, length, and these are 50, so length as a distance 50. And then we start with a stroke, which is just kicking, standard kick freestyle. We have equipment in here, which is fins, so we can just put this into the continue directly, so we don't have to repeat it for all its embedded instructions. Right, so that's the first 50. Second, third, fourth, fifth. Now, what is number 2? Number 2 is 6 kick drill. So a drill name, 6 kick drill. And here we have freestyle. The third one is drill name, it's 1, 2, 3. Again, freestyle. The fourth one is single arm. Drill name, single arm. Freestyle. And the last one is just swim. So standard stroke, freestyle. Right, that's it. Then we move back into a first set because the 450s repeats in a way. We've got 450s, 425s, maybe there is some sort of set. So we start instruction, a repetition with 4 repetitions. And we have a standard stroke, individual medley order. Maybe I should first start with the length. Length as a distance, 50. And we have a rest period, which is specified. Since start, 1 minute, 5 seconds. Right. Then we move over to 100 meters free pull buoy B5. Okay, so that's 100 stroke, standard stroke, freestyle, and we have equipment. Oh, actually we have brief 5, and we have equipment pull buoy. Now, and 425s, I'm order on 45 fast. So that's the same as before. So I can just copy these 450s and turn them into 25s. And we've got 45, so 0 minutes, 45 seconds. And this time we also have an intensity. So let's go for a zone and go for race pace. Now that was a nice first set, and now we move over to a second set, which is the 4 times, and then a lot of things below. So instructions, we put in a segment name, a second set. Now instructions, we have a large repetition count 4 times, and then a lot of things happening in between. Now the first thing's a 3 100s, so this is again a repetition inside of a repetition, so which is always fun. So we repeat that 3 times. Length as a distance, 100. Stroke is freestyle. And we have a rest period. Since start, PT 1 minute, 35 seconds. Right. So that is the first instruction. And now we go to 50 fast. So, oops. Length as a distance, 50. Stroke is individual medley order. And we have a rest period of 1 minute. And we have an intensity zone race pace. Cool. Now, one last 50, which is length as a distance, 50 meters, kick choice 15. Okay, so stroke is kicking, standard kick any, and we have a rest period after stop of 0 minutes 15 seconds. Right, we're almost done. Now we're only left with the warm down. That was fast. So instruction, segment name, warm down. Length as a distance, we've got 50. That's not much of a warm down. Stroke, standard. Oh, sometimes I'm stuck. Stroke, standard stroke. Oh, I did specify any. And intensity, we have a zone. Easy. So in theory, this is it. 3,000 meters. That's exactly what it's supposed to be. Excellent. This is the program of February 18th, 2025, the Jasi Masters. I hope you enjoyed this demonstration of the Swimming Markup Language. See you next time.